I mean, but this is actually getting ridiculous now. Another set of elevators broken in the glassworks car park in Barnsley. This is like the second set of elevators broken on YouTube. It's just actually getting ridiculous now. You see both indicators are not illuminated. You see that the elevator is currently switched off. And also, same with this one as well. So, it's not lighting up. So yeah, it's just actually getting ridiculous. No idea why these ones are not working. Yeah, it's just getting ridiculous now. That's the service one as well. So yeah, it's actually getting ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah, out of order. It's just getting ridiculous, this. Both of them not even working. Yeah, they're not about tomorrow. Yeah, until